So you think protecting your idea is easy? Let's find out. I should make a list of all the myths around inventing, because I keep seeing these videos on YouTube and I can't believe what I'm watching. So you think protecting your idea is going to be easy? What, you're going to file a provisional patent? Really? And what's going to happen then? So let's say you have a patent, your design patent, provisional patent, whatever kind of patent you've filed and you've got approved for. What if somebody does copy your idea? What are you going to do about it? Do you have the money to hire lawyers and fight it? Are you out of your mind? It'll cost you more money to defend your patent idea than you would have ever made selling it yourself anyway. So why waste the time with patents when all you have to do is invent your product, get it to market, and sell it and make money? It's the safer bet. Don't believe me? Go do it the way you want. Go patent your idea. Go spend thousands of dollars on the filing fees and lawyers, and then go try to fight the patent once somebody starts making something similar. Good luck with that. In the end, you might feel better that you stopped that person from copying and then selling your idea, but what are you going to get out of it? You're going to bankrupt them? Chances are they didn't make that much money off of the idea anyway. It's not going to get you any because they're going to be bankrupt in the process. I know this isn't what you want to hear, but it's just that there's so much information out there on the internet, people trying to sell you on this stuff, that it really frustrates me. It frustrates me to see you taken advantage of. These people are preying on your passion. They are preying on your dream of becoming an inventor. And after you go and pay them money and then file your patents, you're going to be no closer to your invention becoming a reality than you were when you came up with the idea. Are you being an inventor to make money? Or are you just being an inventor to say that you invented something? If that's your goal, file a patent. Obviously, I'm not a lawyer. So if you have questions about whether or not a patent is a good idea for you, seek legal advice. Don't take my word for it. I could fill my walls with patents if I wanted to. Elon Musk doesn't even think they're worth anything because he gave them all away for free. That should tell you the reality of patents these days. It's easy to get around patents. I read patents all the time and then I just reinvent my product so it doesn't infringe on anybody's ideas. It's easy to do. People with design and engineering skills do it every day. There's nothing wrong with it. You patent one idea, we come up with another idea that doesn't infringe on it. And then we go out and sell and make money. I thought that was what your goal is. I thought it is to make money with your invention idea. If it's not, then I misunderstood what it takes to be an inventor, and I must be teaching the wrong things to people. But keep dreaming, go out there, listen to these people, pay all their fees for mentoring, pay their invention submission fees, their invention help fees, their mentoring fees, their fees, their fees, their fees, their fees, or take your idea and start making it now. Which one sounds better to you? I do it every day, and so should you. If you like what you've been hearing in this video, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave some comments below.